Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for Uniswap v2, a popular decentralized exchange protocol on the Ethereum blockchain. Uniswap v2 allows users to trade Ethereum-based assets in a trustless and permissionless manner. To start, it is essential to understand the key concepts of Uniswap v2. The protocol consists of a system of smart contracts that facilitate token swaps, providing liquidity to the market. Liquidity providers supply assets to the protocol in exchange for a share of the trading fees. The first step to using Uniswap v2 is to connect a wallet such as MetaMask to the Uniswap interface. Once connected, users can view available liquidity pools and select the tokens they wish to trade. It is crucial to research the tokens and understand the risks involved before trading. When providing liquidity, it is vital to consider the risks of impermanent loss, which occurs when the price of the tokens in the pool changes. To mitigate this risk, liquidity providers should diversify their portfolio and monitor the market closely. Best practices for using Uniswap v2 include setting a slippage tolerance to avoid failed transactions, using the correct gas prices to ensure timely transaction processing, and monitoring the liquidity pool's depth to avoid large price movements. Another critical aspect of Uniswap v2 is the importance of security. Users should always verify the contract addresses and ensure they are interacting with the official Uniswap protocol. Additionally, it is recommended to use a hardware wallet and enable two-factor authentication to protect against potential attacks. In conclusion, Uniswap v2 offers a powerful decentralized trading experience, but it requires a thorough understanding of the underlying concepts and best practices. By following these guidelines and staying informed, users can navigate the protocol effectively and minimize potential risks.